I was just thinking about how sometimes people come into my office and we talk about their financial needs and we set up a plan, and then they tell me that somebody else quoted them a lower price. And then I was also thinking about how often people come into my office and say, I went with this other lawyer and he told me that he was charging me this amount, and then left and right nitpicking, nickel and diming me all the time through the process, and it was $500 for this and $500 for that. And they thought that they were getting a bargain, but they ended up paying way more than they would have paid me, because our flat fee structure truly is comprehensive. There are very few times when you would have to pay anything additional to our actual flat fee structure. And those are completely within your control. There's never anything that you have to do. It's always things that are only optional, and the reason that we carve them out of the flat fee is because they are optional, and we don't want you to feel obligated to do things like reaffirmation agreements, for example. They're a very small additional fee if you want to do that, but not everybody wants to, so why would we build that into our fee? And everything that actually is necessary in your bankruptcy case really is included in our flat fee. Keep that in mind when you're shopping around, because a lot of people will give you structures where you have additional payments that you end up having to make. And it ends up costing you a lot more. And more importantly than that, be really careful. Make sure that when you hire an attorney, that you're really, really comfortable with that attorney. And don't take somebody just because they're cheaper. You know, a lot of times that person that's charging you less isn't there for you. You know, they'll take your case and then it goes off to somebody else and they're not in the loop and not paying attention. You want to be really careful of that, because your financial needs matter. And you have to be sure that you're getting the attention that you need, and that your file is properly handled. Bankruptcy is a very technical area of law, and you have to have somebody that knows what they're doing. And in order to know what you're doing, you also need to know how to charge appropriately. So, you know, be careful. And another thing to really be careful of is when somebody is offering you a deal that looks too good, you know, it probably is. Good luck, stay safe, and let us know if you have any financial needs that you need to talk about. We're here for you, and we'd love to help you. Have a great day.